Hey guys, and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a limited edition McDonald's toy, and these are getting really popular right now. The Cactus Plant Flea Market series, or some kind of limited edition thing. But we're going to be opening this toy here, and I have a special guest with me. Say hi, Mr. Special Guest.
Hey guys.
And this, I think I know what this is. So, these are like the limited edition new McDonald's toys. And yeah, there's the box there. It's like some kind of limited edition meal. These are all the characters you can get. That one's selling for $35 on eBay. That one's around $15. I'm not sure about these two. Maybe like $20. And then there's like different sizes and different like shapes of the chicken nuggets. We love to see you, in this McDonald's kind of tune. Cactus Buddy and Friends. I don't even understand any of this, but I already ate all the food in there. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, I ate some of it too.
Yep, he did too. So yeah, I think this is the first figure. Cactus Plant Flea Market. There's the back if you can read it. 2022 McDonald's toy. I don't know. I probably might sell this, but I might keep it. Who knows? It's a collector's item now. For some reason, I don't know why these are going for so much, but easy open from the top, and then yep. We got him right here. And I don't know why these are going for so much money, but like some kind of like cheap plastic. It does feel a little bit heavy, a little bit of weight to it. It's not like the cheapest thing in the world. It's got a little bit of quality to it.
A little.
But it looks kind of like, you know, that squishy stuff. But no, this is solid plastic. Punch him in the face. It says McDonald's right in his shirt there. There's his feet. And then his arms.
Then his butt.
Yep. What does that say? Cactus Plant Flea Market. Made for McDonald's 2022. Made in China.
Never would have guessed.
Yeah, dude. And then this has the eyebrows, his face. It's kind of like, he looks like he's nauseous. And there's his hat there with McDonald's logo. And it's kind of like a baseball cap. Pretty cool figure. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's the first one of the series, probably the least valuable one, but I might keep them, I might not, might sell them, who knows, it's a collector's item, they're really hot right now, but thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Well, I don't really upload stuff like this. This was kind of like
special video?
Yeah, it's kind of like a special episode, just because these are so popular. Oh, he stands on his own. Well, anyways, thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
See you next time.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be doing Alright, time to sit down and start editing my video.
Hey Sam.